Welcome. If you want to download Wild Rift on your Android smartphone, at first you have to move for the Play Store, and after that you have to simply find Wild Rift. So type on the search pool and just type Wild Rift, and here we have our game. So we can simply install this game. Now we have to wait until this game until the download will be finished, so just wait. And as you can see right now, download is finished, so we can easily open our game by tapping on this button. Then we have to accept all the permissions that pops on our screen. Now we have to still wait, because it will be also available patch to download probably. And right now we are able to log into our account. So for example, I'm going to enter with my private account. So just click on the Riot Games if you want to join with your Riot account. And right now, let me just sync with my password and login. And after that, you have to simply tap on this red arrow to open the game. And as you can see right now, we are able to play the game. So that's how we can download League of Legends Wild Rift on your Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!